how to get free things in the Minecraft marketplace. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool trick that'll help you get free skins, worlds, anything like that in the Minecraft marketplace. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in Minecraft Java, you have to go to a website to open up the marketplace. But in Minecraft Bedrock, we can just access the marketplace right here when we open up Minecraft Bedrock. And in there, that's where you can download all kinds of skins, worlds, things like that. Now, when you come into the Minecraft marketplace, you'll notice that they have this little M with a number under it. Those are minecoins. And as you can see at the top, to purchase minecoins, you need to use real money. So in order to find items that are free in the marketplace, all we need to do is open up the marketplace, then go to the top right, select the search icon. You don't need to type anything. Once you've gotten in the marketplace search, go open on the top right and select the sort button right here, and then just scroll down and select price low to high. Now it'll show you all the free items, and we can even filter that by different types of items such as worlds, skins, textures by selecting the filter icon up here and then going to pack types and then selecting what you want. I'll just do worlds. When we go back, we can see that this is all worlds now. So all we need to do is find all the worlds we want. These are all free. Select one and then select free in the top right. It'll then purchase it where we've claimed it. Once it's purchased, just select download and confirm you do want to download it. It'll give you the size, not too large. Now all we need to do to use that is simply select create this world. It'll give you some options for that world, but we can select create. And then now we're playing that free world that we got from the marketplace for free. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.